In this video, I compare WordPress block editor versus page builders. I present you my 5 major differences between them to help you understand the products. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie. If you are new to this channel, know that I create videos about WordPress websites. My channel is mainly for WordPress lovers who are so passionate about WordPress as I am. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell icon as a way to support me. Welcome to this lecture. In this video, I address the pros and cons of full site editing. Although full site editing is a powerful tool that has, like any other tool, it has downsides. Beginners, in particular, may find full site editing difficult to navigate, so it's not actually the most user-friendly interface, and dealing with so many blocks at once can be confusing. Moreover, full site editing requires the use of block themes. If you do a quick search within WordPress.org, you will find already block themes with block patterns that you can use to quickly build up unique page layouts for any type of WordPress websites. Anyone already using WordPress before the release of WordPress 5.9 who wants to use full site editing will need to upgrade their non-blocked themes. This is not an ideal solution as it might require starting again from scratch. So, what are the major differences between Gutenberg and page builders? Gutenberg is somewhat limited in scope when it comes to page designs and layouts. Its styles and layout variations apply only to its blocks. You can make these blocks full width and add columns and so on. However, you have to stick to the layout of your theme, no matter how much you customize the block. Elements like the header, the sidebar, the footer, and core page layouts remain the same. In contrast, page builders are more flexible. You can add content, change layout, customize page design for each block and widget. You can go behind the theme structure. Therefore, more unique pages can be created. Elements like headers, footers, and content structure can be changed in page builders. Both Gutenberg and page builders support the drag and drop functionality to a certain extent. You can drag and drop blocks or modules to create new layouts for your next website. However, Gutenberg does not support dragging the height or width of blocks or creating columns, which page builders do. Unless you use custom CSS, offer better customization options here. If you want to create detailed layouts, you just drag and drop widgets, adjusting the height and width as you need, and create blocks inside other blocks with page builders. So in short, the drag and drop feature makes website building much easier and quicker. Gutenberg has a set of great third-party plugin add-ons. More block plugins are being built by developers. One of them being Gutenberg's one block plugin is called Cadence Blocks. I love using Cadence Blocks and Cadence theme. Thus, third-party plugins are widely supported in the block editor, and it's working to expand this support to more plugins in the future. Page builders, on the other hand, have an API that lets you build third-party add-ons. The more popular a page builder is, the more custom add-ons you will find for it from the developer community. So popular page builders like Elementor have hundreds of third-party add-ons that cover almost any functionality you can think of. Gutenberg has its own styling and formatting options. However limited they might be. To add more variable styles, you will have to get a custom CSS for a block, whereas page builders offer a lot more options in terms of style and format. However, if you are using the 22 default theme, which has no customizer links for you, now you can re-enable the customizer from the WordPress dashboard menus. There are various ways to achieve this. One simple way is to install a theme that uses the customizer. So, head over to Themes, head New, and do a quick search for Addons themes. Click twice to install and activate as you normally do to install a WordPress theme or a plugin. Activating this theme also re-enables the customizer menu and the usual links. That's it. Now you can easily add your CSS rules within the customizer. If you feel comfortable with coding, you can select the JSON file found in the 2022 styles folder and then adjust accordingly as a template to build your style variation. Another option would be using the HTML style attribute. Thus, page builders offer more control over the page styles and design. Gutenberg supports all kinds of WordPress themes and styles. It also allows you to add its own CSS for blocks, but you have to stick to your theme's original styles and settings. Page builders let you work both within and beyond your theme styles. You can override default styles and make a completely unique page layout. Page builders are compatible with most customizations and let you play around with styles more. So, which one should you use? Well, there is no right or wrong choice when it comes to page building on WordPress. While Gutenberg offers unlimited options, you must remember that external page builders are less reliable in terms of support and troubleshooting. That's it. Now you know the major differences between the two. You are now capable of making your own choice. If you found this video valuable and want to support me, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.